Hi everyone. First and foremost, I want to thank our college and our lecturer, Madam Dilshara, for giving us this opportunity to present our innovation that will solve real world problems. Our innovation is going to be the overtaking helper that will help vehicles to overtake the long vehicles safely. Let me introduce our team members. So I am Dilka as a leader of the team, and then Nimutu, Imasha, Sachindri, and Sadhuru. Let me introduce our agenda of the presentation. First, we are going to introduction of our innovation topic, and then introduction of the team members, and then present real world problem together with a video, and then validation of the idea and the materials used, and then futures features of our innovation with video, and then target market strategies and pricing, and then benefit of our product future development. And lastly, we are feedback and thank you for the audience. So I'm going to Sachin to Sachin
Who
to
and in
Sachin present the real world problem.
for an innovation to be born, there should always be a real world problem behind it. Before mentioning the real world problem, let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt some difficulty on the road while trying to overtake some bulk vehicle occupying the whole lane? Do you think it's safe to overtake? Then let's watch this video.
Дебил, блядь. Вот куда нес? Ёб твою мать.
Бригадиром называют самого первого медленного, который всю бригаду собирает. Хоть нас, блядь, понятно, перекос. Ёбаный в рот, блядь. Да, неприятно.
Что особенного в этой не приносит? Я ничего с собой поделать не способен. Не знал я, что ведь я такой не приспособлен. Да уж таких как я.
Ох, нихуя себе, блядь!
As you can see, it's not safe. Next, I like to invite Sandru to present.
Thank you, Sachindri. Inspiration for this innovation. With the increase in traffic in Sri Lanka, we have all experienced difficulties and fears when passing long vehicles. Sometimes vehicles in the opposite lane does not see overtaking vehicles. Also, vehicles in the opposite lane are at risk of crashing with the overtaking vehicle. So we thought of creating a solution. Validation. At first, when Sachindra produced the idea, we were not so sure we could do it. We did not know what equipment to use and how to use it. But then Dilka's sister, a software engineer, was behind us. She encouraged us to carry this idea forward. She confirmed equipment such as the motherboard, sensor, and object camera and the ways we can use them to create innovations.
Hi, my name is Inoshi Madhuvanti and I'm currently living in Australia. I completed my degree in computer science of bachelor's in software designing as a major. So Dilka is my brother and he told me about this idea of get the front view of the front vehicle to the behind vehicle, like if you're driving a car, so you can get the front view of your front vehicle into your car. So you will, if you want to take over the car in front of you, so you will know if there's a vehicle in front of that or not. So it will really help you to reduce the accidents if someone's coming in front of the car. So I was like, yeah, this is a great idea. If you guys can do it and get the all elements that you guys can get to complete this innovation, and I agreed to them to do some 2 programs to do this, and I think this is a great idea. If they can do it, so they can reduce a lot of accidents, and of course these innovations is going to be very high market. I mean, they can sell it for high value in the market. So I think it's a great idea. Hi, my name is
So let's look some animation videos that is our introduce our innovation. So now you can see our prototype of our innovation. So this is our structure. As you can see, first at the long vehicles, we put objective camera and the both side of the sensor, and then those data will be come to the Raspberry by a programming, and then we are uploading to this data through cloud on the IP address. So the behind vehicles, get that view. Let me show how progress is going on. So the overtaker helper has a complex process. Let's start from the sensor. It has 2 parts. One part is send out a way to then appropriate objects. Then the other part is receiving the wave which decide the distance and the time it takes to approach the end closer. Next is object to catch up camera. that gives a clear view with even motion which normal cam cannot do. And the program have been designed for the sensor and the camera. And this program will be connected together in the motherboard we call as Raspberry Pi 4. And then the HDTV and HDTV monitor are connected to the motherboard so that lawmakers can see the view of the front of their vehicles. And then this processing data will be uploaded to the cloud-based system to the live streaming. So the behind vehicles driver have to open the overtaker helping app and then type the first three numbers, which is identification sticker at the long vehicles. And then app automatically connected cloud to the internet. Then the cloud will proceed front view of the long vehicle, which already uploading the long vehicles. And I am invited to Nimutu to present the required materials.
Thank you, Dilka. My part is introduce the validation of the idea and show you materials. I think you can show materials. There are 8 materials you can see. First one is Raspberry Pi 4. It is the motherboard. And second one is casing for Raspberry. It is the casing. And third one is male to male and female to female cable. And next one is HDMI to VGA converter. And next one ultrasonic sensor. And next one is a Raspberry 5 camera. Next one is 8 GB memory. It's the memory card. And last one is a HDV monitor. It is the monitors. We can see the view on the front. And I think we can move to the next slide. Okay. Okay. The next slide is service provided by the required materials. I think you see the 8 materials. They do the different different works. I think first one is the motherboard. It is the do the all. It is the main part of this product. It is the control our camera and ultrasonic sensor, etc. And the second one is a cable. Cable are very informal. It is the connection with that device, mean HD converter or a monitor like that. And next one is a ultrasonic sensor. It is do the main part in this product. And last one is a camera. This the get the front of you and show the through HD monitor. So I think my part is over. I kindly invite to Imasha continue this presentation. Thank you.
Thanks, Nimutu. So I will be talking about the target market, pricing, and our method of advertising our innovation product, which is the Safe Overtake Helper. Talking about the target market, it's for long vehicle manufacturing companies and for long vehicle maintenance centers. We thought that the best method to advertise our innovation is to publish posts and ads on social media, especially in a time like this, where people are stuck at home, living with internet and online facilities. Moving on to the pricing, the Raspberry Pi 4, which is the motherboard, will be 15,000 rupees. The casing for the Raspberry will be about 1,000 rupees. The male to male cable will be 700 and the female to female cable will be also the same price. The HDMI to VGA converter will be rupees 1000. The ultrasonic sensor will be rupees 400. The Raspberry 5 camera V2 will be rupees 6000, and the 8 GB memory will be about rupees 600. Further, the cost to create this prototype is about 26,000, and our selling price will be 31,200 rupees. The target profit per item will be 5,200 rupees. This is all about the pricing and the market. Now, I would like to invite Sandaru to continue this presentation.
Sadhuru, I think you have to switch on the mic. Sadhuru, switch on your mic.
Sandru, I think your microphone is. Sandru?
Thank
Okay.
you, Masha. Let's talk about the benefits of the innovation. This will create a safe environment for all types of vehicles to travel, both large and small. Drivers will have confidence when overtaking the long vehicle, less accidents and injury, less tension for overtaking vehicle drivers as this provides accurate view.
We plan to introduce spectacles to this system to view the front view in 3D mode. We hope to adjust it so that the driver of the vehicle in the back of the long vehicle can use it. It is also possible to connect to to this by saying the word "done" aloud. This will give the driver some relief to get involved. Next, I like to invite Masha to give us the feedback and thanks. Thank you.
Thanks, Sachindri. So finally, this is a brief description about our innovation. My kind request is now to please fill the feedback form by clicking the link attached in the presentation slide so that we can get some information to modify and adjust this product. Finally, I would like to thank everybody for listening to our presentation. Being unable to mention each and every name, I would like to thank and remember everyone who helped us in numerous ways to move forward in this project. Thank you.